Hi everyone, welcome to Design School MC. In this video, I will create letter N logo design using font style and pen tool. Okay, first select type tool over here, click here and create N like that. And click on this point and scroll going up like this to change the size to bigger. Select this N, I will change the size a little bit bigger. Okay, like this. I will try to change the style to bold. I think this shape looks good. Go to type, create outlines, select here. Okay, and now select the pencil over here and click on this point. Maybe I will using direct selection tool and click on this point and scroll going up like this. Okay, you can follow me. Okay, like this, and over here too, click on this point and scroll a little bit down, maybe like this. I think that looks much better. And I will create object using ellipse tool like that. I will change this object. Maybe I will using red color. I will duplicate this object, go to edit, select copy, edit, paste in front, click on this point, scroll a little bit down, and put on the top like that. Select this object, go to Pathfinder and click minus front. Okay, and change the rotation, click on this point, scroll down, maybe a little bit down, like that, and put over here. Okay, I will duplicate this object, go to edit, select copy, edit, paste in front, and put this object over here. Maybe click on this point and change the size a little bit bigger like this. I think that not good. Maybe like that, it's much better. And select this end, duplicate this end, go to edit, select copy, edit, paste in front, and duplicate this object too. Go to edit, select copy, edit, paste in front, select this object. Maybe I will put this end over here. I have duplicate this end, so I have once again over here, select this end and this object too. Go to Pathfinder and click minus front. Okay, and put this object a little bit going up like that. Maybe I will try to change this object using black color like this. Okay, black color over here, and select this object and this end. Maybe I need to ungroup this end. Right click, select ungroup, select this object and this end, and go to Pathfinder and click minus front. Okay, and right click, select ungroup, select this object. Maybe I will delete this object. Okay, like that, and select the pencil over here. Click here, scroll like that. Okay, click here, and close this point. And select this object and go to Pathfinder and click minus front to cut this object. Okay, now once again, maybe I need to delete this small object like this, and click the pencil over here, click here, and click here, scroll like that. Okay, like this, and click here, and close this point, and select this object, go to Pathfinder and click minus front. I think that looks much better. I will make it looks good. Select the pencil, click here, scroll like this, click on this point, click here, scroll down, and close this point. Click here, scroll like that. Okay, and click this point and click here, scroll like this, click on this point and close this point. I think that looks much better, but I need to change this color. Select this all object and change the color using purple gradient. Click gradient tool, or you can press G on your key and click here, scroll down. That looks good. I will delete this N, select this N, this object, and change the color using purple orange gradient. This object too, orange gradient, Maybe blue gradient. I think the blue gradient looks much better, and I will adjust this gradient color using gradient tool. Click gradient tool over here and click here, scroll down. Okay, that looks good. I will select this and right click, select group, zoom out, zoom in. This zoom out, try to zoom in and put this N on the center, zoom out. Okay, maybe like this. I think that looks good. Zoom in. Okay guys, this is the basic how to create logo or icon using N concept and combine with pen tool and ellipse tool to create this object. And I think this tutorial is done and the result looks good. I hope you learned something in this video guys, and if you have a question you can leave a comment below. And if you're happy with my video tutorial, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel to get new video tutorial every time I update new video. And you can go to my YouTube channel in Design School MC. You can try to type Design School MC in YouTube search, and you can go to my YouTube channel. You can watch more video tutorial. See you on the next video.